Welcome to this video on engineering the AI power grid. This module focuses on high-performance ETL and data warehousing, the core infrastructure that supports reliable AI systems. Industrial data engineering requires strict safety and reliability protocols. Because raw data is often noisy and can cause AI models to fail, engineers must build clean rooms to ensure data integrity. We distinguish between two main pipeline approaches: ETL, where we transform data before loading it, and ELT, where we load the data first and perform transformations within the data warehouse. Data modeling often uses a star schema structure. Fact tables store your core metrics, while dimension tables provide the necessary context. Surrogate keys are used to connect these tables within the circuit. When comparing schema designs, the star schema offers high speed through denormalization at the cost of duplicate data. Conversely, the snowflake schema uses normalization for more efficient storage, but at slower speeds. It is essential that data pipelines are idempotent. This means running the same job multiple times will always yield the same result, ensuring consistency across your data systems. For handling data updates, we utilize different types. Type 1 overwrites old data, sacrificing history. Type 2 adds new rows to maintain a full history. Alternatively, you can add new columns to keep partial history. Storage formats also impact performance. Row storage is optimized for fast individual transactions, while columnar storage, using formats like Parquet or ORC, excels at analyzing massive datasets. Compute engines improve efficiency using predicate pushdown. By filtering data at the storage layer, you significantly reduce the amount of information that needs to be transferred, saving massive network bandwidth. The lakehouse architecture, such as Delta Lake, combines the best of both worlds: the low-cost object storage of a data lake with the ACID transaction reliability of a traditional data warehouse. Query performance can be optimized by adjusting key factors, reducing data volume through compression, lowering complexity with materialized views, or increasing parallelism by adding compute nodes. Massively parallel processing, or MPP, allows a leader node to split queries across many compute nodes. This enables systems like Amazon Redshift or Snowflake to process petabytes of data in seconds. Take a moment to review these key concepts: the advantages of columnar storage, the importance of ID impotency in pipelines, and the structural differences between fact and dimension tables. This diagram illustrates a unified clean room circuit, integrating everything from raw data sources through ETL and storage, ultimately feeding high-quality, reliable data into your AI models. Remember, your AI's performance is only as good as the quality of the data it receives. Thank you for watching this module.